For almost 3 long weeks, the sun rained without mercy. The skies were clear, too clear. Our water tank stood empty, bone dry. Each morning we walked with empty containers to the big river. To bathe, to wash, but for drinking and cooking, we had to buy water. 2 kina for every 5 liters. Water sold from little running creeks in the village. Precious drops of life, now a costly treasure. The children missed the sound of rain on the rooftops. The garden soil cracked under the weight of thirst. The plants withered. The air was dry, and hope felt distant. But nature, our silent mother, had not forgotten us. Then it came. A thick cloud gathered above us. A hush swept over the land. And in a divine moment, the heavens opened wide. Heavy rain poured down like a blessing. We stood in it, laughing, barefoot, grateful. Our tanks began to fill again. The plants lifted their weary heads, and the river sang with joy. It was more than rain. It was a reminder that even in dry seasons, God does not forget. Yes, our hearts are full again. Our tanks are full. The soil drinks, and life continues. Blessed by grace. God is good all the time.